One final thing to review with trig is also we looked at even and odd functions, and I believe it was chapter 11. So even and odd functions, this is where you replace x by negative x and see what happens. So if you replace x by negative x, you get back to exactly the same thing that you started with, and what that means is that's an even function. And the property for an even function is it's symmetric about the y-axis. Now if you replace x by negative x and you get the negative of what you started from, then that means that's an odd function, and the property for that is that's going to be a rotation about the origin. So if you twist your paper upside down and it looks the same as what you started with, then that would be an odd function. So for ones like this, sine x, actually we're going to do this the other way around. Think about which one of these properties is true for sine. Well, sine should be a rotation about the origin, so that should make that an odd function. And therefore sine of negative x would equal negative sine x by this property here. It's the negative of what we started with. Cosine x should be symmetric about the y-axis, which means that's an even function. An even function should be identical, so cosine of negative x should be the same as cosine x. Tan x should be a rotation about the origin, which means that it's an odd function. And for odd functions, it should be the negative of what we started with. So tan of negative x should be the same as negative tan of x. So sometimes those things are useful when we've got to work out formulas as well. So if we have to work out what is the sine of negative x, we can actually just say it's negative sine x. So there's a few little extras that are also useful there from chapter 11.